Wow, it's so incredible how there is so much negativity about Google stock. But today I want to show you why I was buying Google stock at under $100 a share in February 2023, which I have been sharing with my VIP club. So today I have all this information that you need to know, especially if you have Google stock or if you're planning to buy more Google stock. I know many of you are going to love all the information from this video that I have ready for you today. Welcome to my channel if you are a new subscriber, because in this channel we take our regular current income and we invest our money so our money can work for us instead of us just working for money. So if you're new here, please consider to subscribe because I'm going to show you so much information that will help you multiply your money. Today, I want to show you some important information about this company, Google, which I have been buying consistently for years, but especially during the beginning of 2023, which have given me some profits already. But this is just the beginning, and I'm going to show you the reasons why. This is the Form 10Q, which is submitted to the United States Security and Exchange Commission legally by every company every quarter. And this is Alphabet, which is well known as Google. If you look at their revenues for the last quarter, it was $80 billion compared to $69 billion that reported in the same quarter last year. Companies are here to make money. So is Google Alphabet making money? Of course it is. If you look at their net income, it actually reported $23 billion in 2024, their first quarter, compared to $15 billion that reported the same quarter last year. If you look at their earnings or net income per share, it reported $1.91 compared to $1.18 for last year as well. Looking at their balance sheet, it shows that it has $24 billion in cash to continue to grow the business, with total assets of $407 billion compared to $402 billion same quarter last year. Looking at the liabilities, it has some debt, but not much. So in total liabilities, it has $114 billion in total. So if you deduct their assets from their liabilities, you receive this, which is called stockholders' equity, which has a stockholders' equity of $292 billion compared to $283 billion last year in the same quarter. So this is a way to measure if the company actually has more assets than liabilities. So it is the same thing if you have a house that is worth $500,000 and you owe the bank $200,000. So your total equity will be $300,000. It's the same thing that you do in a business. But let's take a look of what are some of the forecasts for this company for the next quarters and also the next few years. Looking at the last 5 quarters, this company has been growing revenue by more than 10%, the same as earnings per share. It has been growing a lot, and especially the last 2 quarters, by 54% and 61% last quarter that just reported. Looking at the next quarters, is growing by more than 12% and their earnings per share by more than 20%. And if you look at the past 5 years, the company continues to grow revenues significantly, regardless what's happening during COVID, during the economy, the company continues to grow. So their earnings per share continues to grow as well, reaching a record high earnings per share of $5.80 for 2023 with an increase of 27%. Now looking at the next 5 years, the company projects to grow around 10% per year with a 14% for 2024, and their earnings per share continues to grow, showing an increase of more than 14% and a projection of 20% for 2024. So what do you think about Google stock? Is this something that calls your attention? I would love to know your opinion about this company. I know there's so much negativity about this company how ChatGPT is actually going to be taking over their business, and how this company doesn't have any future. But remember, Google is installed in Android phones, which is 50% of the phones of the entire world. Anyone that doesn't have an iPhone, they have Android operating system. And YouTube also is owned by Google, the same as many of these companies that you're seeing on the screen right now. So this is the reason that why Google, together with all the cloud services that they offer, has so much future in my opinion. And this is why I will never sell my Google stock. I will just let the company continue to grow for the next 10 to 15 years. So what is your opinion about this stock? Would you like to buy more Google stock? Thank you for watching this video. We continue to buy with our VIP club stocks every single week. So if you would like to see what stocks I'm buying this week, scan this QR code or look at the description below to find more information about this project. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget that the best is yet to come.